Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add car seat in your Uber app. Now, this is very easy and let me guide you through it. So, open your Uber app, just let it load. After getting it load, you can see this is your basically the user interface where you will interact with where you want to go and where you are. There are several options here, but basically what you need to do is just click on this where to option. Now after clicking on the search bar, whole area will appear where do you want to go, and this is your current location. So suppose click on the place you want to go. I can click on like Ayan's home. Okay, so this is the option that has appeared. Now what will happen that if you need to add number of car seats, choose a vehicle like I. Okay, after clicking on this you need to select the shuttle option. Basically on shuttle option, finding shuttle options. Now click one option in which you want to choose from where you want to go. Click on this, suppose first one. Now here the map will appear where you want to go and how long is this place. Now what you need to do is just to select seats, click on this seats option. Right now it is on 1, click on change. Now here you can add people like 2. So seats 2, it will cost 0 rupees. But if you want to add one more person, it will add to 85 rupees. Okay, now click on confirm option. Now confirm your shuttle and ride your way where you wanna go. Now this was it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, have fun.